Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Power Within Us. All of us want to be a professional, not only professional, but a good professional. But we can't. What is reason behind this? Why we can't be a good professional? We think that we passed a professional exam and become a good professional. Yes, no doubt, we become a professional, but not a good or perfect professional, because the qualities of professional not came in us automatically, but we have to generate it from our childhood or student life. Let us know the top 15 qualities of a good professional. First one is be a self learner. For becoming a self learner, two important. First one is group discussion, and second one is to improve. First, you need to prove yourself. Through group discussion, we can ask questions more freely. Actually, we have a quality of asking more and more questions from our childhood, but due to our society, due to our family environment, we lost our this quality. But the quality of asking more and more questions is very important, not only for internal growth, but for understanding things in more better way. One is to be physiologically strong. Physiologically strong means mentally and emotionally strong. And remember one thing in your life: if you want to save yourself from rain, you need to have an umbrella. And the best example of this is while using mobile phone. When our phone get more hot, what we do, all of us start the cooling mode of our mobile phone. Similarly, always use cooling mode always use your own cooling mode to have you cool. Always remember one thing: birth of tension is the death of knowledge. And always be physiologically strong in your life. And the third one is use of more social media. Nowadays, social media can become a part of all of our lives. It acts as a sweet poison in our life. Sweet because all of us like it, but poison because it destroys our life in one way. Normally, we say that we use social media only during the break times between our studies or work. But what happens during that break time? We see the things happening on the social media, like how many people like us, our things or comments or unlike. So these things break our mind. So never use that much social media. And now a question arises: how avoid the use of more social media platforms? Just think one thing in your life: you are not going to sacrifice use of social media, but you are going to postpone things for a little time, which not affect your life. And second thing is, you are not a dustbin. So then why you are allowing people to comment on you, to like or unlike on you? Always remember what things: use technology, but don't allow technology to use you. Fourth one is our personality. Our personality play a very important role in our day-to-day life. Under personality, 5 things is important. Number one is dress code. Our dress code silently speaks something about us. And second one is good communication skill. Good communication skill is very important, and even we have to maintain good communication skill between our friends, and we should use words, best words to express ourselves. And to improve our communication skill, one thing is important: be fluent in English. If we fluent in English, we are more confident to express ourselves. English improve our confidence level. And fourth one is extra activities to improve our confidence, communication skill, and our personality. For more personality development, we have to involve in extra activities. And fifth and most important thing which determined our personality is giving importance to other. If we want to getting importance from other, we should also give same importance to other. That We all of us know that action is always equals to reaction. What we give, same we get. Fifth one is leaving your comfort zone. If you want to be a successful people in your life, you should leave your comfort zone even today itself. Leaving comfort zone means we should break our friend circle, because a professional have to deal with all type of client. It may be polite or hard. And second one is hard work. Hard work doesn't mean that work like a hunky, but work like a horse. Do hard work but smart. There is no substitute of hard work. Always remember Newton's first law that state a body at rest always wants to stay at rest. So always remember this and follow this in your life. Hard work doesn't guarantee success, but no success is possible without hard work. So always do hard work in your life and leave your comfort zone. Sixth one is active participation. Whenever you involve in any activities, always make sure that you involve mentally, not only physically, because through mental involvement we can increase our memories, and the activities in which we involve mentally leave last in our memories. And also be practical and related everything with your daily life. This not only increase your understanding level, but also your interest to do things in more better way. Seventh, relationship. If we have relation with more people, means we have more experienced people, and we can learn with their expressions. So relationship is also important, play important role in our life. More relation means more work and more knowledge and experience. Eighth one is value of time. Life teaches us to make good use of time, while time teaches us the value of life. So always be punctual. If we read the success story of great people, then we find that there is one common things in all of them, which is punctuality. So always be punctual in your life if you want to be a successful people. Time is not measured by passing of year, but by what one does, what one feel, and what one achieve. So always think better, try to do better, and try to achieve great, which help others. Ninth one is optimistic versus pessimistic. Pessimistic are those people who have no hope. They can prove them in more better way, but they always focus on what they don't have, and they focus on the 80% people who get failure in their life and believe that they can't do it. And optimistic are those people who focus on 20% successful people and look at their way of success, and they focus on the things they have, not the things what they don't have. They focus on their abilities, not disabilities. So always try to be optimistic, because only optimistic people get success in their life, because our thoughts affect our behavior, and our behavior one day become our habit. So always be optimistic. Always remember, you don't need more luck, but you need more hard work and persistency to do work. So always be optimistic and focus on 20% successful people, not 80% failure. 10th one is fear. Ever you think in your life that you feel fear only at the time of examination or when you are going to present anything, but you never feel fear when you are playing or watching movies? Why? Because during examination hall or during presentation or during interview, we think about result, which create a feel of fear in our mind. Okay, so always do your best without thinking about result. Fear is actually our wishes, thought and view. Should change your view and do your best without thinking about the result. 10 qualities of a successful professional. Apply this in your life and be a successful people.